Listen carefully. If you are trying to learn FF mod making right now, you are probably doing one of three things: watching random YouTube tutorials, copying files from Telegram, or experimenting blindly without understanding anything. And let me tell you something honestly. That is the slowest way to grow. You are not confused because you are weak. You are confused because you never had structure. And that's exactly why I created this. Today, I'm officially introducing my complete FF mod making course, designed for absolute beginners who want to reach an advanced level with real understanding. Not tricks, not shortcuts, real skill. In this course, we don't jump directly into advanced editing. We start from the foundation. You will first understand what actually happens inside the game files, how the file structure works, why certain modifications work and others crash, what tools are required, and how to use them properly. Most people skip this part. That's why they stay stuck. Once your foundation is clear, we move step by step into practical execution. You will see real workflows. You will see how to properly modify, test, and verify changes. You will understand the logic behind every action. No copy-paste mindset. By the end of this program, you won't just follow tutorials. You will be able to think like a mod creator. That is the difference. Every lesson is recorded professionally and explained in simple, clear English so anyone can understand, even if you are starting from zero. The entire course is organized inside a private Telegram learning space. Why Telegram? Because it keeps everything structured and distraction-free. You can access it anytime. There is no deadline. You learn at your own pace. Pause, rewatch, practice, improve. This course is designed for serious learners. If you are looking for shortcuts, this is not for you. But if you want to build real skill, if you want to stop depending on others, so DM me on Telegram now for enrolling in the course. Link in description and in comment box. The decision is always in your hands. Keep asking or make it yourself.